whether it's a party, Super Bowl, whatever. It's a good crowd pleaser. It is really delicious. Buffalo cauliflower wings are done. They look beautiful. And look at that goodness. Hi, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make, believe it or not, buffalo cauliflower wings. That's right, buffalo cauliflower wings. It is such an easy recipe and it's healthy and it's actually way inexpensive to make it yourself compared to buying it at the store. So all you need is 1 head of cauliflower, some plant milk, paprika, pepper, salt, a little bit of gluten-free flour, and garlic powder. That's for the basic mix for the batter. And then we're gonna brush a little bit later. We're gonna do some hot wings, hot sauce on there with a little bit of agave or honey and some coconut oil. So first step is to cut up the cauliflower. I'm just gonna break it apart. I like to cut it from the bottom. And then you literally can just break them apart from there. You want to keep the cauliflower florets big because we're going to be mimicking a chicken wing. These need to feel like you're holding a chicken wing when you're done. Whether it's a party, Super Bowl, whatever, it's a good crowd pleaser. It is really delicious. So here they are. And now we're going to go ahead and make the batter. For the batter, I'm using gluten-free flour. You can also use regular flour, some salt, pepper, about a teaspoon of pepper. I like it spicy. Some paprika, some garlic powder, and some plant milk. Now that I've covered the cauliflower with the batter, I'm gonna put it in my oven at 425 for 20 minutes. Done. While the cauliflower is baking, I'm just gonna make the hot sauce mixture. So it's 1/4 cup of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, just to add that little sweetness, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Here we go. I have the brush out because once the cauliflower is out of the oven, I'm just gonna brush this hot sauce mixture onto each floret. So here's our hot wing hot sauce. All right, so the cauliflower has been in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna brush this onto each floret and pop it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. All right, the cauliflower is out of the oven. It's got the batter on it. It looks like it's nicely cooked. All right, this is super hot right now. It just came out of the oven, so I can't really touch it, but I'm just brushing it on. I'm gonna get one side, then I'm gonna flip it and get the other side of each floret because you wanna coat the whole piece of cauliflower. Don't leave any of it without the yummy hot sauce. We'll put it back in the oven for 20 minutes and let it finish up, and we'll serve it with a little bit of celery and some dressing, and it's going to be awesome. Okay. Buffalo cauliflower wings are done. They look beautiful. Just took them out of the oven. Look at that goodness. Just gonna plate them with a little bit of ranch dressing and some celery right over here. And voila, you're done. That was so easy, so fast.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a healthy day.